Me? Obsessed with you? Yes. Yes, I am.
Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a week of favorites. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite styler, none other than a hair mousse. When I tell you that the hair mousse has your girl in a chokehold, it's real. So I have my top 5 stylers, and I'm gonna share them with you. Keep on watching. So in no particular order, my hair mousse styler number 1 is the Luxe Soothe and Restore Curl Defining Mousse. This gem right here just came out this year, and I am completely obsessed. So it says it provides definition, volume, and hold. It does just that. It is made with oat milk, vitamin E, and bamboo extract. It is vegan, no sulfates, silicones, or artificial colors. So this mousse, if you don't have it in your stash, you definitely want to add it to your list. So let's look at the consistency. So it's a very airy, fluffy mousse, very moisturizing. Absolutely in love with this mousse. Bomb definition, moisture's there. It's a nice amount of hold. Perfect styler for wash and go, which I've used it for. Definitely could be great for a twist out, braid out, any style. I am going to insert some clips of me using this product, so keep on watching. And smell. It has no smell at all, which is not a big deal, although us curlies love our good smelling hair products. This one does not have a smell, but it works amazing. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Mousse number 2 is from Mish Beauty. This is the Set Curl Defining Mousse with Hold. And I am a little more than halfway done with this bottle, so I definitely need to get some more of this. So this is made with aloe vera and ginger. It's a non-flaking, flexible hold mousse for coils, curls, and waves. So let's get into the consistency of this one. Another lightweight, fluffy, moisturizing consistency. And it smells amazing. It just smells like a fruit salad. Just so sweet and love it, love it. So the smell is a 10 out of 10. Moisture, definition, hold, all of the above. Mish products never disappoint. So if you haven't tried Set by Mish Beauty, definitely want to check it out. Again, I'll insert some clips of me using this product, so keep on watching. Next up, and my favorite mousse stylers for 2023 is from Camille Rose. This is the Spiked Honey Mousse 4-in-1 styler. This gem here, if you have not tried this, these are the results of this beauty here. This is a flat twist out that I achieved using just this 4-in-1 styler. And the results speak for themselves. So this is a lightweight setting mousse infused with honey and nettle. It is crafted to smooth strands, boost shine, and set styles, and it does just that. So the consistency for this one. Again, nice, fluffy, moisturizing. And it smells like cocoa, honey mixed with cocoa. It smells good enough to eat or drink. It smells good. So if you've not tried the spiked honey mousse from Camille Rose, you definitely want to run out and get this product. Again, I'll insert some clips of me using this gem, so keep on watching. Next up for my favorite style mousse for 2023 is from Bask and Bloom. This is the Hydrating Vitamin Curl Mousse. And this is definitely one of the products that made me obsessed with the mousse, because when I tried this for a wash and go, this might have been my first like super duper successful wash and go just using a mousse. And baby, I have like about this much left, so I definitely need more of this. This is a 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. You need this. Let's get into it. So consistency and texture. Again, all of these are very lightweight, moisturizing. This one also has a nice, fresh smell. Nice, fresh, clean smell. So smell is on point. Product is on point with the definition, with the moisture. It's a one and done styler. Great for wash and goes, twist outs, braid outs, you name it. You can get it done with this mousse. So if you have not tried the Bask and Bloom Hydrating Vitamin Curl Mousse, you definitely want to add it to your list. And I will insert some clips of me using this mousse as well. So keep watching. Last, but most definitely not least, my top 2023 curl mousse styler is from none other than Pattern Beauty. This is the Pattern Curl Mousse that is created for volume and healthy hold. I got a bomb perm rod set using this mousse. Definitely gonna try it with the wash and go. I haven't yet, but I will be doing that soon, so stay tuned. Miss Tracy Ellis Ross to not disappoint with this mousse or any of the other products in the line that I've tried so far. So let's get into the consistency and smell of this one. Again, lightweight, moisturizing. This one is probably the most lightweight out of all of them. Very moisturizing and has like a perfumey type smell. Not overwhelming or overpowering, but it does have like a floral, perfumey type smell. But like I said, Miss Tracy did not come to play with these products. So if you have not tried Pattern Beauty, sis or bruh, what are you waiting for? Go get some now. Hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below which of these stylers you've already tried, which is your favorite, which one you plan on trying. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and stay tuned for the rest of my week of favorites. And I'll see you in the next video.